Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Control Panel. This gets you to system-level language options quickly. Once the window is open, make sure View by is set to Category or Large Icons because that affects which entries appear. Now find Clock and Region or Region and Language. This is where language controls live. You're doing this to change display language for menus and dialogues, not just a keyboard layout. So, proceed without delay to the Regional Settings area to adjust language preferences. Next, you change the actual display language by selecting Region, then the Language or Administrative tab, depending on your version. Once there, click Add a Language or Change Display Language, then pick the language you want from the list. This instructs the system which language to prioritize. If a language pack is required, download and install it. This step ensures all system strings are translated. Make sure you have an internet connection. Once installed, follow prompts to apply the new language. Finally, set the chosen language as the primary or move it to the top of the list so the system uses it for UI text. Once done, sign out or restart the computer to apply the display language across all system dialogues and apps. You'll want to confirm menus and messages appear in the new language. If things go wrong, check that the language pack completed installation and that the change is applied to the welcome screen and new user accounts. Reinstall the pack if necessary and repeat these steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.